In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark web monitoring in Hostinger, step by step, so you can start keeping an eye on leaked data connected to your account. This is a simple process, but it's a really useful one if you want an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll need to click on More Services. This is where Hostinger keeps additional tools and features that are not always visible on the main screen. After that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, choose Dark Web Monitoring. This will take you to the page where you can view the option and activate it for your account. If you're not seeing it right away, just take a moment to make sure you click the correct services menu on the left. Now, on the Dark Web Monitoring page, you'll see a button that says Turn on Dark Web Monitoring. Go ahead and click that button to begin the activation process. Hostinger will then guide you through the next step, which is usually tied to confirming and completing the setup. At this point, you'll need to complete the payment. Since this is a paid feature, Hostinger will ask you to confirm the purchase before monitoring is enabled. Review the details carefully, make sure everything looks correct, and then finish the payment process. Once the payment goes through, Dark Web Monitoring should be activated on your Hostinger account. From there, you can use the feature to help track whether your information shows up in dark web data breaches or leaked records. It's a smart step to take if you want to stay ahead of possible security issues. And that's it. You've now enabled Dark Web Monitoring in Hostinger. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when it comes to protecting your online identity and staying informed. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.